all turned over. Trying to put the fire out with the flood. I love it when you run for cover.
Guys, I'm going to walk up this hill here, flying the Skydio 2 in front of me. What I want to do is prove to myself and to you guys that the Skydio 2 can produce very cinematic videos similar to the DJIs and Xiaomi's and Hudson drones. And because it has a nice IMX 577 sensor, but more importantly, it has very nice glass on the camera. Wow. There it is. There's the sunset. You got some sunbursts coming through the clouds. Wow, that's looking nice. Really nice. And right below the sunset, you see the Hollywood Cemetery, which has numerous United States presidents buried here. On the left, you see the James River. And below us, you see the railroad tracks. And if I go a little further forward, I'm starting to see it now. You'll see this running and biking path, mountain biking path that you can test your skills at. Wow, James River's looking good, sunset's looking good, Hollywood Cemetery looks fantastic. Wow, crepe myrtles with a purple poppin', very nice color, super nice colors. So I can't wait to take pictures with the Skydio 2 here after I make this run. So my plan is to turn around and fly through underneath the bridge just above the railroad tracks. On a side note, I've been watching Jamie O'Brien's channel about surfing, and one of the cool things that he does, he talks about right before he starts a B-roll, he'll say something to the effect like, let's start the music. Well, I'm going to do something very similar. I'm just let the music roll. I'll let you guys enjoy this video, and I'm going to be quiet.
You can't put the bullets back in the gun. I hide it when it's all turned over. Trying to put the fire out with the flood. I love it when you run for cover. Temperature rising, this is our time. Marching united into the light. We're rising up, rising up. This is our time, we come together. Time we come together, rising up. We're rising up. This is our freedom, freedom. We're rising up. We're ready, we are wide awake. We're taking back our better days. Temperature rising, this is our time. Marching united, we'll win the fight. We're rising up, rising up. This is our time, we come together. Time we come together, rising up. We're rising up. This is our freedom, freedom. We're rising up. This is who we are now. This is who we are. We're rising up, rising up. This is our time, we come together. Time we come together, rising up. We're rising up. This is our freedom, freedom. We're rising
You guys see the drone anywhere? Oh, there it is.
When the world is unsteady, the ground beneath me shaking. I keep asking people questions, but nobody seems to know. But I can move steady when the wind blows. The rhythm strong inside me. Hold myself tightly when the heat goes. Raise the blinds covering the window. I'm coming out of the dark.
move steady when the wind blows. The rhythm strong inside me. Hold myself tightly when the heat goes. Raise the blinds, covering the windows. I'm coming out of the dark. I'm coming up from the ashes. Let it all fall apart. And then I light up my matches. I'm coming out of the dark. I'm coming out of the dark. I'm coming out of the I'm coming out of the dark.
Alright guys, so that was pretty hairy for me. It looks like we flew about 18 minutes, and that flight was pretty hairy. Actually flew right underneath this bridge right here. You can see right over behind me. And then caught the sunrise, and then came back and flew right in the middle of those trees out to reveal the city. But and then I lost connection. And then I started really freaking out for a second. And the drone was sitting here waiting for me. And then my connection on my phone looked like this, disconnected. And I couldn't get it to connect again. So I had to turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it back on. And then I got it to work. I took some pictures. And it came out pretty well. It's going to be pretty. Look like really nice pictures coming out of there. I don't know until I see them on the computer back home. But yeah, successful flight. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. All right, we'll see you on the next one.